like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
Remedies for dark lips. Nobody wants dark lips because it decreases the core beauty of the appearance. Lips can be dark for two reasons: from birth, or you can achieve dark lips from smoking or sunburn. Natural dark lips that you got from your birth, you cannot lighten those lips, just polish them. Ingredients you need: sugar. Take sugar and use it like a scrub. This will remove the darkness and dead skin from your lips and provide your lips pink color. Use this remedy daily for good results. Visit BillyHealth.com for more information on remedies for dark lips.